going to we'll go rock climbing. We're gonna climb that. We went with Real Rocks Rock Climbing. We found them to be reputable online. They were very professional and very friendly. I highly recommend checking out Real Rocks Rock Climbing out on Krabi. Waiting for our shuttle to pick us up. Rock climbing on Railay Beach. Hello, wadikap. It's grilled chicken. We've been driving past here. Been wanting to stop here. Looks delicious. What I have? Get your grilled chicken at bus stop 1. Also, if you're looking for our motorbike to rent, Mr. Sack's been friendly to us. Really good service, lots of bikes, lots of selection. 200 baht for a small bike, 250 for a medium, 300 for a big bike. We first started up with the 200, which was 125cc, the teal one, which is good enough. But we decided to rent the 250 one up, which was still 125cc, more compartment space to go further. We filled up gas outside. There's a gas station here that they recommend, but service wasn't really too friendly, and I think they really skewed with the meter, because when we put in the equivalent of 60 baht outside on a regular gas station, we got a lot more gas. And our shuttle is here. Kato. Our shuttle bus picked us up at our hotel, and we're on our way to check in, grab our equipment, and do a quick orientation. After that, we're headed to Railay West Beach via a long-tail boat. It's supposed to be tighter than indoor because of the limestone. I think I might just go with the one on the right then. Can I get a bag for my camera? So we're at the Ao Pier? No. I don't know where we are. We're at a pier that we can leave to Railay, 4 Island, and Hong Island. I'll figure out what pier is this. Ao Nam Moi Pier. That's where we are. You gotta take a boat from this pier to Railay Beach. And that's where we'll ascend onto the karst towers. These limestone rocks that's formed over millions of years. And here we go. We've arrived at the Railay Beach pier. Still holding on to your chicken.
My stomach's hurting. The days in Thailand, that's when you get food poisoning. And I'm touching day 9, 10 now.
Fried chicken, jeez. We are at Railay Beach here. You only can access this beach by boat, I guess?
Yeah.
You can't drive here. Look at that engine. Supercharged engine. After the pier, we have about a 5-minute walk to the tower. Karst Tower, that's what they call it. I don't know. Oh, where do these people come from? Oh, maybe the beach is that way. Okay. Just about to go rock climbing. I've got to eat breakfast first. It's good.
I have it all over my lips.
Hard to feel off.
Want me to go first?
Are you nervous? For those of you who may be wondering, we're doing top rope today. Top rope is when there is someone belaying you from the bottom, but you're anchored to the top.
of
Nice.
your climb. So it's much safer. Right now he's demonstrating how to ballet. There's always a one hand on the rope at any given time. And they start you off on a smaller climb, which only takes about 5 to 10 minutes to complete.
Nice. Good job.
I'm like,
Yeah,
cell
your
phone?
phone.
He's like, iPhone.
iPhone, you phone.
Phone. Phone, that's rain.
Yes, yeah, you know it.
Yeah, it's
Yeah,
cool.
you know it. You are Peter, right?
David.
David.
yeah.
Peter.
Close, close.
Peter.
New name.
Peter, you know Peter is the Spider-Man, huh?
Yeah,
Oh,
Peter
yeah.
Parker.
You got to
yeah.
Okay, stretch your leg more. And free hand, lean back.
Right hand.
Right hand. Yeah.
Better, yeah. Up.
Blue rope.
Blue rope, you see. No, not touching blue, yeah.
Yeah, don't touch this.
Yeah, this side your hand, this side. Yeah.
หูฟังไปตลอด พอถอดหูฟังไปตั้งหน้าเท่าไหร่ Nice, Linda. Right hand to the right. Jump, Linda. Yeah. Yes. Right hand above yes, Linda. Right hand up. Nice, Linda. Good job. Yeah.
Touch the ring.
And up. Touch the ring.
Hey.
หลังจากฝึกงานไปแล้ว
จบแล้ว
ฝึก
2 รอบแล้ว 2 รอบ Yeah, move your head. More up. Move up. Yeah, yes. Touch your feet. Touch your right foot. Okay, left foot, far left. Nice.
Good.
Yeah, to the left.
ไม่ได้ถามนะ
Wait.
Okay, enjoy the view.
So close. Touch the ring.
Yeah, touch the ring. Up. Try.
She's gonna try.
Yeah, stand. Yes, right foot move to the right, to the left. Okay, that's it.
So close.
So close.
It's okay. I think she's done.
Okay. Way down. Nice, Linda.
She doesn't like spider.
Okay. Yeah. I forgot to clear, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, because I come first before you, not kill him. Sorry.
He didn't clear the spider for you.
Spider!
Yeah, I saw it too, yeah. Yeah. Next time, I brush.
Almost made it to the top.
Yeah, until I saw a spider.
You were like probably like 3 grabs away, and she's like down. I'm like, that looks like a serious side. They have a big rock climbing community. Everyone helps out each other. The instructors memorize the climbs and they guide you on where to go when you're stuck with the laser or yelling. They know the names of the grabs. Who would have thought this is the best rock climbing in Thailand? We had no idea.
This guy, for some reason, decided to take off his shoe mid-climb. Not sure why, maybe he was feeling uncomfortable. These guys are lead climbing. Lead is a different type of way of climbing. It's where you attach the rope on clips as you go up.
It's like bleeding.
Look, that guy has a bag on his shoe. Looks like he's bleeding. And this is me at the top. It's pretty high up. And honestly, you can't hear anybody when you're up that high. All the directions have to be given through hand signals. It's pretty cool up there. It's surreal. Very quiet. And I like how they tell you to enjoy the scenery and they keep you up there until you're ready to come down, but they kind of, won't rush you. They want you to enjoy the view. This is me descending. On my way up, I noticed I dropped my camera case and I ended up finding it on the way down, which is pretty cool.
That was fun.
Okay, well done.
You see?
Next.
You see? Very
Next.
fun, right?
Yeah.
Is it difficult?
No.
Yes, yes, yes.
It's just long. It takes
Yeah,
time.
just wrong, yeah.
The last part is a little difficult, but I save my upper body to the last part. I try to use my legs until I don't need it.
Well done. Take a break.
Thank you.
กระทิงแดง yeah.
จริงๆ day,
กระทิง
yeah.
แดง
Now we're on our way to find something to eat. We're gonna hit the town. We opted not to go back to Ao Nang, and we'll figure out how to get back using a boat taxi after we eat. Town has a cool beach vibe. There's a lot of selection, but we just chose the restaurant closest to the beach because it was too hot and they had fans. We are here at Railay Beach Cafe. It's kind of expensive, but
And then needs a fan.
it is the best smoothie I've ever had.
It has the most mango. Everything else is like
That was coconut.
ice and mango. Mango.
All right, we just got our food. I ordered a set menu, tom yum goong with fried chicken, rice. Look nice. Wow. That's you. Got pit nit noi.
Here come the flies. Yeah, that's good.
Oh yeah, this is more expensive than usual, but everything tastes good. The best fried chicken, best tom yum, best pad see ew. No,
No,
the pad see ew in the mountain, Katong Hill is the best.
that was good, yeah.
So we just finished our lunch,
That was a good meal.
610. That's expensive.
Yeah, but it was good.
That is how much is that? $24. This is Railay West. You can rent kayaks. We came at low tide. Our rock climbing excursion dropped us off here and brought us to rock climb on this beach, but we opted to stay and not go back. To get back, we just need to take one of these long-tail boats. It should cost about $100 to get back. As soon as I move, crabs burrow into these little holes. Little white crabs. These crabs make these sand balls in a pattern, spiral pattern. I wonder why. Millions. I am on a mission to figure out how to buy tickets to Ao Nang. I heard it's 100 baht. Let me ask these guys here. It looks like it's these guys. Ao Nang? No ticket. Where you buy a ticket? Look, see, I gotta buy tickets from these guys. The guys in the blue shirts. Ao Nang. 2 คน ไม่มี Oh, these guys you gotta buy from ticket booth. We are on our way back to Ao Nang here, where we're gonna go and try to find some food. The boat ride is only 10 minutes long, but be careful, it's a little wet. Waves are pretty rocky, but they do have life jackets in case. How dirty you are. We're here to try Burger Daddy. Oh, they got pizza. All right, time to splurge. Oh, the pizza looks good. Oh, it's a big ass table.
Oh, this one.
Roni pepperoni.
And then the Big Daddy.
No, it's not the Big Daddy. It's just
Oh,
the daddy.
The daddy, sorry.
Just the daddy. Got your Tabasco. Chili flakes.
I don't know about that. Oregano.
Regular ketchup. Probably imported.
Sriracha.
Check out these coasters. Alright, now put it back. Does it go in any order?
Yeah.
Clever. The daddy. Tater tots. Yep, that's good. There's a hash brown. That's right? Like weird?
No.
These are like the curly fries with that 90s McCain commercial with a kid. Where you put that ketchup. Pizza. Just pepperoni. My knees are sweating.
Oh my god, this burger is fucking massive.
Mm-hmm. I think the daddy sounds kinkier. Pepperoni is very salty, yeah. Damn. How many patties is there?
3?
3?
Oh my god, that's so good.
That's it? They say it's the best burger they've ever had. Like the reviews are saying like best burger they've ever had ever.
Yeah.
Is it? No fucking way. That's a big statement, you know that, right? You're talking like small little town in southern Thailand has best burgers you've ever had.
They're good. You need to try this. It's really good.
Fuck, can't wait.
That's so good. That's pretty fucking good.
I don't give out those statements lightly. But yeah,
Yeah.
it's good. It's not juicy though. Like it's juicy, but it's not running out. I wish the beef was a little under, but we're in Thailand. Wow. The garlic sauce. Go. That's crazy. Come visit Burger Daddy. Come visit Burger Daddy in Aodan. This bill will set you back $32 Canadian, but it was well worth it. The burger was really filling. 3 patties. 3 patties for the daddy. The daddy got me. Gentlemen, if you're trying to impress your girl, bring her to Burger Daddy.